Welcome to this tutorial on creating videos with CapCut. CapCut is a comprehensive video editing platform renowned for its user-friendly interface and robust features, suitable for both novice and experienced editors. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to efficiently create and edit videos using CapCut. Step 1. Download and login. Begin by downloading the CapCut web version. Upon installation, create an account and log in to access the full suite of editing tools. Step 2. Create a project. Once logged in, navigate to the CapCut interface and select Create Project to initiate a new video project. This action will open the editing workspace. Step 3. Import media. Proceed to import necessary media files, including audio, video clips, and other attachments, by clicking the Import button in the workspace. Step 4. Prepare your script. Prepare your script for the video. Navigate to Text and select Add Text. Choose Default Text and paste your script into the designated text area. Step 5. Generate AI voiceover. Utilize the text-to-speech feature to generate an AI voiceover. Select from the available voice options and generate the voiceover by clicking the appropriate button. Allow a few moments for processing. Step 6. Add stock content. Enhance your project by incorporating stock images or videos from CapCut's library. Drag and drop the selected content to align with your script. Step 7. Trim and adjust clips. Adjust your video clips by trimming unnecessary segments and selecting optimal scenes to ensure a cohesive narrative. Step 8. Add effects and transitions. Incorporate effects and transitions to enhance the professional quality of your video. Drag and drop these elements into your timeline as needed. Step 9. Highlight text. To emphasize key points, add text overlays to your video. Navigate to Texts, click Add Text, and select Default Text to customize as required. Step 10. Export your video. Upon completion, export your video using the recommended settings for optimal quality. Click Export and wait for the process to finalize. This concludes the tutorial on video creation with CapCut. CapCut's intuitive features make it an excellent choice for efficient video editing. Thank you for following along.